Learn about the health benefits of juicing in this informative video. We'll discuss the basics of juicing, the health benefits of it, the different types of juices you can make, how to make them, nutrition tips, and where to find healthy recipes. Whether you're just getting started with juicing or are looking to add more variety to your routine, this video has you covered. Hello everyone, my name is Earl Charles and welcome to this video on the health benefits of juicing. Today we will be talking about why juicing can be beneficial for your overall health and what types of juices you can make to get the most out of it. What is juicing? First, let's start off by talking about the basics of juicing. To put it simply, juicing is when you extract the juice from fruits and vegetables through a juicer or blender. When you drink the liquid left behind, you can benefit from all the vitamins, minerals, and enzymes from the produce without the fiber from the fruits and vegetables. This allows you to absorb more nutrients faster and get more vitamins into your body. The health benefits of juicing. So now that you know what juicing is, let's talk about the health benefits of it. Juicing can help to boost your immune system, thanks to the abundance of antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals that are packed into the juice. It can also help to improve digestion, reduce inflammation, and increase energy levels. Additionally, drinking fresh juice helps to detoxify the body and flush out toxins. Types of juices. You can make a variety of juices with different fruits and vegetables, so let's talk about some of the most popular types. Some of the most popular types of juices are green juice, which is made with green fruits and vegetables like kale, spinach, and parsley, fruit juice, which is made from just about any type of fruit, and smoothies, which are also made with fruits and vegetables but additionally include dairy or plant-based milk. How to make juices. Now that you know what type of juices you can make, let's get into how to start making them. To make fresh juice, first you will need a juicer or blender. If you have a juicer, you just need to put the produce into the juicer and let it do the work. If you have a blender, you will need to add some water or juice to help the produce blend smoothly. Once you have your ingredients in the juicer or blender, you can blend them together and pour the juice into a glass or container. Nutrition tips. Here are some nutrition tips you should keep in mind when juicing. 1. Always use organic produce. 2. Use both fruits and vegetables in your juices. The sweetness of the fruit can help to offset the sometimes bitter taste of the vegetables. 3. Make sure you are getting a variety of vitamins and minerals in your juices by using different produce. 4. Try to consume your juice right away to get the most out of the nutrients. 5. Choose dark green vegetables, like kale or spinach, as a base for your juice. 6. Don't forget to add some healthy fats, like nuts and seeds, for an extra nutrient boost. Where to find healthy recipes. If you're looking for ideas on what type of juices to make, there are many websites and books dedicated to juicing recipes. Look for recipes with a variety of fruits and vegetables, as well as healthy fats and herbs to get the most out of your juices. Summary. In conclusion, juicing is an easy and convenient way to get more vitamins, minerals, and enzymes into your body. Choosing organic produce, using a variety of fruits, vegetables, and herbs, and consuming your juice right away are all great ways to get the most out of your juices. If you liked this video and want to see more, please hit the subscribe button, so you never miss an update, and press the like button. Thank you for watching this video on the health benefits of juicing. This video was brought to you by Channel Success Mindset and Personal Growth.